What's up, pilot? This is the LKTOP Mini 4 Pro Mini 3 charging hub. In this video, I'm going to give you a close-up look at this charging hub and a quick demo with my Mini 4 Pro behind me so that you can determine if this is right for you or not. This was sent over to me for the purpose of making this video, so without further delay, let's jump right into it. Starting off with what comes in the box, you're going to get your charger, manual, charging cable, and a felt carrying case. So guys, this here is an upgrade or replacement for your stock DJI hub. Charges 3 batteries at the same time, has a easy to operate interface. You got a status check button here. This also acts as a storage charge button. You got your USB-C in, USB out. On this side over here, you've got your lights. I'll demonstrate that here in just a moment. But basically, you know, the difference between these two hubs is the original hub charges in series, which means that it's going to take the battery with the highest charge level. It's going to start on that battery and work its way until all 3 batteries are charged. This hub here charges in parallel, which means that it doesn't care what the charge rate of any individual battery is. It's going to charge them all at the same time. So let's get these here transferred over so you can see this thing in action. So basically, pressing this button here is going to bring up the status of each individual battery. You can also long press this here, and if you happen to charge your batteries and you don't use them, you can use this hub to put the batteries at a storage charge, which is really helpful. On this side over here, you got your light. Press and hold that. Your light comes on. You can use this here if you need to, you know, find something in the dark if you're out flying. It's got 3 brightness levels as well as a strobe on there. So neat feature there. But let's get this plugged into the hub here. So I've got behind me a 400-watt hub. It's got 2 100-watt ports on there. So we're going to get this here charged into one of those ports. Plug that in, and you can see that it's going to do a status check on the batteries, and then it's going to start charging all 3 at the same time. Now, this assumes that you have a sufficient power supply. So this is a 100-watt port here on this power supply. I think you can get away with at least a 65 watt to charge all 3 at the same time. Anything lower than 65 watts, and it's going to charge each battery individually, just like if it was the stock hub. So if you guys are looking for an upgrade or replacement for your Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, I highly recommend this LKTOP. Hope this helps.